In this video, we're gonna show how to adjust a loose control mechanism, if it's an AT or a BT control mechanism, and the angles of the seat and backrest just aren't quite holding. So what can happen, you can see it right here, these clutch plates. Those clutch plates are designed to tighten up and hold an angle of the seat or a backrest. And so when you pull up on a lever, those clutch plates loosen, and when you release that lever, those clutch plates tighten back up again. And so if your clutch plates are slipping, there is a way to tighten up those clutch plates, tighten up the connection to try and get them to hold again. And so this is a simple adjustment that may be able to save the mechanism so you don't have to replace it if that's the issue that's going on here. The only tool you're gonna need is a 1/2" wrench or a 13mm wrench. And I'm gonna show you how to adjust on this mechanism right here. This is an AT control. And what happens is the clutch plates, the adjustments on the clutch plates are opposite of each individual lever. So this lever right here controls the backrest, right? This is the back left lever. We have it flipped upside down. So it's the back left lever when you're seated in it. The adjustment for that is this nut right here. So we're gonna remove the cap. It's this nut right here. The adjustment for the seat angle, this is the back right lever when you're seated. It's this lever right here. Going across from that, it's this nut right here. So we're gonna remove this cap. So depending on which angle isn't holding, these are the two areas where we're gonna try and tighten. So don't tighten it too much. A little bit goes a long way. So a quarter turn at a time. We wanna tighten this control, tighten this nut right here, quarter turn. This is the back angle. Tighten it a quarter turn, sit on it, see if the backrest holds. If it's still not holding, go another quarter turn, see if it holds. You may have to do this a couple times, but if you've gone through this and fully rotated that nut 3-4 times, then the clutch plates are probably not the problem and the control mechanism needs to be replaced. The same thing is true of the seat angle. We take this lever, seat angle lever, we go across. This is the nut right here. We take this, tighten it, quarter turn at a time. You sit on the seat, is the seat holding? If it doesn't, another quarter turn. And again, same thing is true for the seat angle. If you've gone through a few rotations, full rotations, and it's not holding, then that's probably not the problem and the mechanism needs to be replaced. If you have a BT control mechanism, this is what you're gonna be looking at when you turn the chair over. The BT control mechanism, the back right lever, controls the back angle adjustment. And so if the back angle adjustment isn't holding, the back angle is slipping on you, then the nut directly across from that paddle, which is this one here, that's the nut that we need to adjust. So we take the cap off, quarter turn at a time, and we test out after every quarter turn. Does the backrest angle hold after a quarter turn? And again, if we've gone 2, 3, 4 rotations, full rotations, then this is not the problem and the mechanism likely needs to be replaced. However, on the AT or the BT control, if we're able to get those clutch plates to tighten up again, this is a quick and easy fix without having to replace the mechanism.